feel it, baby? It's that MBK shit. Cause I can feel it, baby.
Okay, hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Y'all look at my hair, it's so big. Anywho, today I will be doing a video on a synthetic wig. So y'all already know it's synthetic wig Sunday. Well, it's not Sunday today, but when y'all see this, it's gonna be synthetic wig Sunday. So I'm back with another wig, and this is the Cloud9 Swiss Lace Sensational What Lace. And this is the Roshana unit. Y'all, I've been seeing this unit everywhere, y'all. And yeah, so I've been, I'm just gonna do my thing. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing my little 1-2. So I'm gonna take this out so y'all can see it. And y'all, honestly, I forgot how much this was. Let me see if it's on the actual paper. I don't know. I think it was like 30. No, it was a good little price. I can't remember how much it was though. I spent a lot of money up in there when I went to Sam's Beauty. But this look good, y'all. Oh, this look good. Okay, so I'm gonna have to pluck it though. Y'all already know I'm gonna have to go in and pluck it. So I'm gonna pluck it, do my little thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and braid this hair down. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna braid this hair down, and then I'm gonna come back to install this wig. Okay. So I went in, plugged. Ooh, this already look good. This is tight though. Okay. I feel like it's plucked okay, but I also feel like it could be plucked a little bit more. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. Where did I put it? Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and hang this lace. Ooh, it blends so nicely, but one thing I did forget, I didn't put no glue down. So let's glue this down. Now I'm gonna come back with this on.
Can you feel it, baby? It's that MBK shit.